There is so much on the line for both of these teams. They are pulling out all of the stops. Giants up against Elements. Coming in from Ica, the moves, and he's going to return the damage onto Peppy. He walks away from the tower, and Gillius is there to pick up the kill. And there it is! He's done!
I got him. Chill us here. Nice. Graves is behind us. Graves.
Giants come up with a win against Elements.
Victor!
Nice. I'm burning. Yeah, burn. Go. I can't. Yeah, he's dead. Nice.
Go Nash.
And Vitality pick up the win here against Unicorns of Love in an impressive show.
Nice.
We can keep on. I'm going.
I'm super low. Tank catch. Front line.
I saw the Tam catch. Ari ult from behind.
I can't do that.
And H2K take down Origin. What a game by H2K.
Remember, guys, your whole life lead up to this
No.
day.
Okay, let's talk. Yeah, Matt.
Everything you did in your life led up to this moment.
Yeah, you give like a huge speech and then it's like enemy team pentakill.
Okay, let's go. This is
Nice.
Wonderwear just trying to do all the damage he can, and he manages to anchor him down. Spirit now clutching for it. Wonderwear's doing a whole ton of damage. Gatsu's going down.
Victor. Build up.
And they have just upset Fnatic. Mercs in the Chaos Storm, but he gets the Zhonya's down. And now Tabs is pinballed in. They pull him in. That's a double kill for Hybrid. And another for Perks. This is just going absolutely wrong for Rocket. And G2 Esports have cleanly taken out Rocket.